Hey everybody, welcome back to Mac Customs. Thanks for stopping by. Today is a beautiful day here in Cape Breton, and we are going to take advantage of that by working outside and getting the chicken coop moved. So right now it is attached, well, not really attached, but it's placed in the fencing there, and we are just going to move it so that we can put a new batch of chickens in there. What happened? Oh. I don't think that was part of the plan. We have the chicken coop in place now after we had our little tip over there. So this is where we're gonna put it. We got the glass back in the door there. We put some shingles on the roof, so it's looking really good. And before we close in the front there, I'm just gonna show you we have just a couple perches for them. Right over there is how we'll get the food and water in. And we're just gonna leave the bottom open. That way there they will always have access to grass. And if that starts getting eaten and muddy and that, we'll just move the coop a little bit for them. So we're just going to finish off by completing this wall, and then we're going to get the chicks over here. Look how cute the chicken coop looks. I love it. So we painted the side once we got it put on there. And up top here, if you can see, we used plexiglass shelves that we had floating around to give them a little bit of light. There's still an opening there. We're trying to decide what we want to do. We're thinking we might just put mesh in there to give them some airflow. And we have a couple of them in there now. I think they like their new coop. I love the look of the roof too. I think it just makes it look so nice. And we have the rain gutter on the back too. So that's going to just come down, and I'll move that bucket in place there and just to catch some rainwater. So this turned out a wicked project for the little layers. And I love it too because we spent absolutely nothing on this. We had everything kicking around, or everything has been repurposed. Thanks for stopping by today, guys. We're going to call that a day. We'll probably pick up on this again tomorrow, maybe get some fencing up for them. But for now, I hope you enjoyed our little upgrade to our chicken coop. And don't forget to subscribe. If you don't, leave a comment and like our video. And we will see you in the next one.